This amazing garlic recipe will remove your wrinkles in 7 days. All women are always taking good care of their skin, especially their facial skin. So most of them spend a lot of money on expensive beauty treatments and cosmetic products, in order to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. But not all of them can afford these expensive products and treatments. And sometimes these expensive over-the-counter products cost a lot of money and they can't provide the desired effects. So you should definitely go for all-natural alternative. What if we tell you that you can get the same effects with this all-natural ingredient? And the name of this powerful ingredient is garlic. Yes, garlic. We all know that garlic is powerful antioxidant and natural antibiotic. But did you know that garlic can help you reduce the appearance of wrinkles? You will be amazed by the results. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to peel 1 garlic clove and mash it nicely. After that, you need to add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 tablespoon clay powder. You can buy clay powder at any local health store or pharmacy. Make sure you mix the mixture well. Your mask is ready now. You can apply it on your face. How to use it? First, you need to wash your face and then you can apply this mask. Then you need to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse your face with lukewarm water. Or you can leave the mask on overnight and wash your face in the morning, but before you do that, make sure that you use an old pillowcase for your pillow. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. This garlic syrup is 10x more powerful than penicillin and treats many diseases including cancer. You should definitely try this homemade garlic syrup. It's super healthy all-natural syrup which can provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. This garlic syrup is very simple and easy to make, and it's made by easy available ingredients, which are inexpensive and extremely beneficial for your entire body. As we said, this recipe is very simple and easy to make, and you will need the following ingredients: apple cider vinegar, garlic and organic honey. All 3 ingredients have powerful health benefits, and if you mix them you will supercharge their beneficiary effects. Here's why you should drink this garlic syrup. This super healthy homemade garlic syrup will boost your immune system, lower your blood pressure levels and reduce the levels of the LDL bad cholesterol. We can also say that this garlic syrup will reduce the number of colds and infections, and it's also very useful against arthritis, gout and joint pain. Homemade garlic syrup recipe. Ingredients: 8 peeled and lightly mashed cloves of garlic, 1 200 Cuban pesos milliliter of apple cider vinegar, 1 200 Cuban pesos ml of honey. Directions. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to blend the garlic so it becomes fine. Or you can use crushed garlic. Then you need to add the honey and the apple cider vinegar and blend for another 15 seconds at high speed. Now you need to pour this mixture into a glass jar. Store it in your refrigerator for 5 days. Note: make sure you mix the mixture every day. And after 5 days your garlic syrup should be ready. How to use it? Here's how to use this super healthy garlic syrup. Add 2 teaspoons of this garlic syrup in a glass of water and drink it in the morning on empty stomach immediately after you wake up. You should know that this syrup is extremely powerful and you shouldn't consume it directly. Always mix it in a glass of water. About the ingredients. Garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic will help you boost your immune system, and its allicin content makes garlic one of the most powerful natural antibiotics on the planet. You should consume garlic every day because it's loaded with healthy nutrients and its provide many health benefits for you and your health in general. Honey. This healthy ingredient has powerful antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties. This super healthy ingredient is often used by many people in the world to alleviate chronic cough. Apple cider vinegar. It's loaded with many different phytonutrients which are very useful and beneficial in preventing cancer and leg cramps. This powerful ingredient also contains high amounts of citric acid which can help you melt kidney stones. Well, the best thing about this super healthy garlic syrup is that you don't have to wait until you are sick to drink it. You can drink it even if you aren't sick. This homemade garlic syrup is a great way to prevent cold and flu and to maintain optimal health. This garlic syrup is very simple and easy to make, and you probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen cabinet, so nothing is stopping you from making it. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.